Hello friends, welcome to EC Praveen YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to discuss about the latest employment notification from NMDC Limited. The NMDC Limited recently posted 59 vacancies for apprenticeship training. There are 16 vacancies for graduate apprentice. Entry qualification is 4 years degree in civil or mechanical or electrical and electronics and mining engineers, and 13 vacancies for technician apprentice. The entry qualification is 3 years diploma in mechanical, electrical, or electronics and telecommunication, or mining, modern office, practice management, and computer science and applications. And for 30 vacancies for programming and systems administration assistant. The entry qualification is National Trade Certificate issued by National Council for Vocational Training in Computer Operator and Programming Assistant. There are total 59 vacancies. Candidates should check the eligibility norms mentioned below. Candidates who have undergone or undergoing already registered for apprenticeship training under the Apprentice Act elsewhere are not eligible. Candidates with work experience of 1 or more years are not eligible. And the stipend payable per month for graduate apprentice is 20,000 per month, and for technician apprentice 16,000 per month, and trade apprentice 10,000 per month at present. The trade apprentice candidates need to register himself or herself and apply for opportunities to undergo apprenticeship training in BIOM or at www.apprenticeshipindia.organization. And for graduation and technical candidates need to register himself or herself at www.mhrdnats.gov.in. I will give the link in the description. Please go through it. And candidates should submit email their resume affixed with a recent passport size photograph on the right corner, and along with registration number in apprentice portal, address for communication, email ID, mobile number, along with proof for date of birth, and address and qualification on the cash certificate, etc. And coming to the apprentice training selection process, a common merit list will be prepared by a committee for each core branch based on the marks scored in degree or diploma or ITI examination, and candidates will be selected for apprentice training for the merit list. Preferences will be given to local apprentice aspirant candidates without hostel accommodation. No hostel accommodation will be provided for any selected candidates due to COVID-19 situation. Reservation for the selection of candidates will be mentioned as per the government norms. The shortlisted candidates will be informed through post or email or SMS. I hope this video will help you. If you have any doubts, please comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.